everyone, I wanted to do a quick unboxing video, but while I was doing that, what I wanted to do was basically show you some of the items that we have that are in the shop going out, and even some of the prizes that we have for the birthday bash here in May. We just got some monster box of Krugerrands that we're shipping out to everyone today. We have lots of silver bullion that we're giving away during the May birthday bash. China pandas that's how they actually come from the China mint, in those plastic capsules, all in their own little individual pockets there. These are the Flippin' Friday coins from last week that we're actually shipping those out here shortly. We have lots of these Rwanda coins, which is also one of the prizes for the birthday bash. So those are really cool coins. And we have, these are Australia kangaroos. And here is a box that we have brand new coin. And we're going to be doing those on auto ship. Let me go ahead and cut into this. Sealed from the mint. When they come from the mints directly, they have these straps on them that are sealing it. This is the 2019 Wiener Neustadt. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, but it's actually the one of the 3 coins in the set of the Austrian Mint. They have their 825th anniversary. They did a 3-coin set. This is one of those. Let me go ahead and crack one of these open. Cut myself. All right. Pop it open. These are really, really cool. I don't know if I can get a good angle on that. Let me take one of these out. I actually need a glove. Give me just a second. All right, so I opened this up and let's get a good look at that. This is actually the castle that Leopold built. This coin is one of a 3-coin set. The others are the Leopold and the Robin Hood, which you have seen on our site. So this is a brand new one. And we're going to be sending these out in the auto ships as a part of those this month. And they will also be available after the month closes on the shop for sale for anyone who might not have gotten one, because we do random for the auto ship coins. But that's what I wanted to show you. Have a wonderful day.